Good morning, VIP member. This is your boy, Professor Wisdom. I am currently on gold chart, and this is daily time frame, and I'm just trying to analyze gold for you guys for the next move. So, as you can see, this is daily time frame. So, I'm trying to analyze gold. If I take my trend line from here, drag it to the upside, it is indicating that gold is currently trading in an ascending triangle. It is moving in an ascending triangle because here at the top, gold is making equal high. We have this high, and which is equal to this high, also equal to this high, but this trend line, it is indicating that gold is also making higher low, and this is our first higher lows and our second higher low, which means the gold market is moving in an ascending. So but it is making equal low, because gold is making equal lows here. This is our type of move. We have this high there, this higher lows, we have equal high here, we have a low, I mean higher low there, we have equal high there, we have higher low there. Sorry guys, I will just start where I end, and then we have equal high there again, then we have higher lows, then we have a high here, and then now gold is moving somewhere here, which means it is testing a breaker broke here, it is testing a breakable, and from this point we are expecting gold to move up, and if it's possible, we might see gold breaking above the supply zone. We might see gold break the supply zone because gold is currently moving in an ascending, it currently moving in an ascending channel, and if gold break above there, we will have our second entry somewhere there, pushing or targeting there, that high points, targeting that high point, guys. So like I said, gold is currently moving in an ascending channel, so I will just switch to 4 hour time frame to find our entry, just to find our entry. This is for our time frames. I'm still on gold, and this is the current breaker broke I am talking about. We have a breaker broke somewhere here, we have a breaker broke somewhere here, we have a breaker broke somewhere here, and gold is currently testing, gold is currently testing gold is currently testing this broker broke, this yellow broker broke, and we are expecting maybe it will make a small push like this, and maybe touch our trend line, and it's gonna push all its way to the upside. It's gonna push all its way to the upside like that. And if I take a Fibonacci, retracement here, taking Fibonacci retracement to the top here, um, we will see that from this low to this high, now gold is testing our 61 0.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is our confluence, and this is our confluence, guys. It is our confluence. This is our confluence. So we are expecting gold to buy from that point. We are expecting the gold market to buy from this point, from the retest of this yellow point, and we are targeting this buy side liquidity. we are targeting that buy side liquidity, guys. So it's your boy Isaac Wisdom. I'm the NAS 100 CEO, guys. This is good. Try to find buy entry next week when the market open, guys. And maybe you're gonna put your stop loss below here. You gotta put your stop loss below here. And if you want me to analyze gold using this using the smart money concept, concept, this is how I'm gonna do it for you, guys. This is how I'm gonna do it for you. As you can see here, we have a break of structure, and this is a liquidity sweep. That is a liquidity sweep, guys. That's a liquidity sweep. And I will put SS there. It's a break of structure or liquidity sweep. It's SS there. And I will put another breakout here, and this is a market shift structure. That is the market shift structure, guys. It's a market shift structure. And then the that's a market shift structure. And then we have our demand zone, which is our order block. Let me just say order block. Let me say order block. And then we have our fair value gap somewhere here. We have our fair value gaps here. We have our fair value gaps here. That's our fair value gap. And as you can see, guys, um okay, fair value gaps. Okay, that's our fair value gap. It must be look in yellow. As you can see now, the gold market, as you can see, since that we have our liquidity sweep. We have our liquidity sweep here, and we have our market shift structure. We have our order block here, and we have our fair value gap here, and we have a larger fair value gaps. Now gold is retesting the these larger fair value gaps. Of course, it is possible to see gold coming to our order block also, but in this case it is rare. In this case it is rare, unless gold is gonna push a little bit below to test our 50% of the fair value gap here, and then it's gonna push all the way up there. So let me just use this Fibonacci retracement to measure the 50% of this fair value gap. So as you can check where there is black, and this is here where there's a black trend line. This is our 50%. And also where there's this dotted line on the on the fair value gap, that is our 50% of the fair value gap. Of course, it is possible to see gold testing the 50% of the fair value gap. So here for the entry, you need to be careful to make your entry proper. And guys, so yeah, it's your boy it's Wisdom. I try to show you all the scenario that I have been using. So I started using trend line when I started trading forex, and then I changed into smart money concept, and everything it's working perfectly, and everything it's aligning to each other. As you can see now, like I said, we have our signed line trade line, which is an ascending trade line. We might the proper way of trading gold here, we because we are in a fair value gap here, we need to see gold coming to touch our black trend line here, this trend line, and then we're gonna look for an entry. And this is also our 50% of our fair value gap, because we have a larger fair value gaps. So we need to wait for gold to retest the 50% of our fair value gap, which is also going to be aligned with the bullish trend line here. And then we're gonna take a safe entry. Or if you cannot wait for gold to touch here, or maybe if you are scared to take trades, uh maybe you think that gold is gonna come to our order block, Then for you to trade safe, I will just remove the fair value gap. I will just take it here, and then I'm gonna use I'm gonna use this here. As you can see here, we have a high here, guys. We have a high there. We have a high there. You see that's maybe gold comes somewhere like this, test here, and then it's made a move. Then you are scared to take the trade. Then wait for gold to break above this yellow. Once gold break this above this, because if it break like this one is going to be treated as a fake breakout, and then this one is gonna be a rage. It's gonna be a rage. We're gonna treat it as a rage, and gold is gonna come back and make a retest somewhere here and continue pushing all its way to the top, all its way to the top. And if you wanna learn how to trade the market, which is trading in the range, kindly visit my YouTube channel for the videos. There's a video where I explain on how to trade the market which is trading in the box, the market that's stuck in the box. Sometimes the market give a fake breakout and then later it break again inside. If the market break out the range and trade back inside, then that breakout is gonna be a fake breakout because it trade back in the range, which means now it's gonna continue with that direction. So that is how to find the proper entry, guys. It's your boy Isaac Wisdom, guys. I'm signing out, guys. Sharp.